Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to manage the sound on your Samsung Galaxy A15. So in order to do that, swipe down twice on the screen to open up this menu. Now find your volume control button, it looks like this, and here you'll have a few regimes. So first of all, if you want to lower your volume, simply tap the speaker icon, and now you see the line appear through it, meaning your phone is in vibrate mode. So if we'll tap again, this icon will turn dim, and it means that the sound is completely muted. So now our phone won't vibrate or make any sounds for incoming calls or messages. To bring the sound back, simply tap on the icon again. You'll hear a notification sound. This means the sound is enabled. Now, if you press the volume button and on the side of your screen, you'll see this line appeared, so you can adjust your volume by simply holding and dragging it up and down. Also, for further details, simply click on this three dots here, click on this cog at the top right corner, and here you have your different volume adjustments. For example, you can adjust your media volume, your notification, your system sounds, and your ringtone. So if something seems too quiet or too loud, check all these levels and set them up to your taste. Now, if you need to increase the sound, don't forget to press the volume button up and down. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.